Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here that's on my face currently. I got a couple new products in and I'm super excited about them. I don't think I've been this excited about makeup in quite a long time. Too Faced actually came out with their Christmas collection so that you have plenty of time to buy it, try it out, use it for the holidays, or buy it for gifts. This tutorial features the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice eyeshadow palette, or the thing right here. As all things with Too Faced, it does smell like gingerbread, and the colors in this, they're just amazing. Like, you know, right? Look how gorgeous those are. So I used some of these, and then also I got their Christmas Treats Liquefied Lipstick Set featuring pumpkin spice, sugar cookie, cinnamon bear, and hot buttered rum. These are delectable smelling. They smell obviously like each name. I am currently wearing pumpkin spice and it smelled like pumpkin pie. So I do look with these two items here along with some of my other favorites. You guys know I already have a couple like diehards that I use pretty much all the time. So let's get on into the tutorial.
So I actually planned on doing a voiceover for this video. I went and bought a new mic today actually for it, but I kind of want to just not do a voiceover now because I wanted this to be a shorter and more relaxing, just watch someone put their makeup on type of thing, because I really love those videos. If you guys don't, then let me know in the comments that you prefer a voiceover and me talking through the whole thing and explaining what I'm doing. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking and put some music on and finish doing my face. I'll start talking more once we get to the eyeshadow and tell you about the products.
We found love as the leaves turn brown, and we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer,
Okay, so here we go. This is the Gingerbread Spice palette by Too Faced that just came out. I just picked this up this past week, and honestly, I'm obsessed with it. These colors are so pigmented and buttery and soft, and just, they blend so great. So yeah, I'm using this today, and we're going in with a blending brush right now for the crease. I speed through a lot of this, and I also cut a lot of it out, but as you guys all know, there's a lot of blending to be involved with eyeshadow to get it to look right. So if I included it all, this would seriously be a 45-minute video. It would be in real time, and it took me honestly an hour to do this. So I could do it faster if I wasn't trying to record and all that stuff, but anyway. So then we're going in with our next color in the crease, and honestly I'm just building the crease downward because I wanted it really warm and red and smoky. So then I'm going in with this more reddish tone. I started with the blending brush, but then I went in with a precision brush just because it wasn't doing what I wanted to do. So then I went in and I kind of forced it to do what I wanted to do, obviously, and then blended it back out with the blending brush eventually. So then I went with this with a brush initially, but I quickly realized that unless it was wet, it was not going to work properly. So I quickly switched to my finger and it worked perfectly fine. And then we're going to go in with our inner highlight. This is a matte. I didn't want anything sparkly. I wanted all sparklies on my lid. So this is just one of the matte flesh tone shades to blend everything together. And then I'm going to also put that on the inner corner before I put my inner corner highlight. I did put this little gold reflect over it, honestly, because this was my favorite color in the palette and I couldn't stay away from it, even though I went with the darker shimmer. So I used it as a center highlight and I actually really liked how it turned out. So yeah, I say so yeah so many times. I usually edit out all my buts and my ums, but I say so yeah all the freaking time. It's a little annoying. Anyway, so obviously I'm going in with the same exact colors I went in with the crease in my lower lash line, and this is what I was talking about with the inner corner highlight. I'm putting this right dab in the middle there to bring some highlight to the inner corner, obviously, hence the name. Then we're gonna blend everything together so it's all seamless. And then with this, this is like a really, it's a really movable liner until it sets, so you have to kind of work with it quickly, hence why I did it in like little patches. But then they have a smudger on the other side. It's kind of old school, but I like it better than my fingers because I was going to mess up my eyeshadow. So I just do that across my line, blend it out so it gives it some depth and perception to my lash line. Then this is a little trick. If you're going to do this, don't be ridiculous and hold it on there forever, like literally 3 seconds and it's warm enough, and then I touch it to make sure that it's flush cool because your eyes are super sensitive compared to the rest of you. So just make sure you don't burn your eyeball. If you do, that's on you, but it acts like a lash curler, a heated lash curler, like an iron for your eyelashes. Therefore they curl much better and stay curled, obviously. So that's how I do mine. My lashes are super straight, so otherwise they just fall with mascara because they're heavy. Then this is the Lippy palette. This is pumpkin spice. It smells like pumpkin spice lattes. It is delicious. And this is going to complete the rest of the look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like the voiceovers or not down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Like the feeling again.